सोचता सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम थे, 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 क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते, सोचता हूँ।
Yes, I love these two lines of this song. I just love it. When we see our children, हम ये नहीं सोचते बच्चे कितनी जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं, और हम कभी कभी सोचते हैं कि हम ये करते तो कितना अच्छा होता, हम वो करते तो कितना अच्छा होता, हम वो कर सकते थे बट टाइम नहीं मिला. That's one reason why I thought I will be sharing my ideas with you regarding this. It's never too late when we are thinking of an investment. Yes, I welcome you all back to my channel, and thank you so much for liking, subscribing and commenting, sharing also with your friends. Thank you so much. My gratitude to all of you. As committed to you, I will be talking about the topic. What are we investing on our children? And while I was thinking about this, that what shall we discuss, I could know that this video is going to be very, very long. Not very long, 10 to 15 minutes. फिर मैंने सोचा कि पता नहीं लोगों के पास ये 10 to 15 मिनट्स होंगे कि नहीं होंगे. फिर मैंने सोचा नहीं, अगर 10 to 15 मिनट्स नहीं होगा तो फिर इतना बड़ा काम कैसे होगा. इसीलिए I thought no, let me share, and I'm sure you all will have time to listen to it, because it is about the big investment for the most important thing in our life, persons in our life. And if it is an investment, it is a lifetime investment for our children. So don't leave the video in between. Listen to it till the end. Yes, please listen to it and share your feedback with me. I would love to listen from you. Now coming back, what are we investing on our children? Think about it. Some of you must be thinking that yes, I have done health insurance, I have done insurance for their education, I have bought few land, I have bought few flats, I have saved some money, liquid fund में invest किया है, SIP किया है, and all those things you must be thinking. Oh, if you're doing it, you are a wonderful parent. Big hand for all of you. But here I am not going to talk about those financial investments. I'm going to talk about the investment which we should all do for our children. And if we are doing it, trust me, I'm so very happy. Big hand for all of you. And if we are not doing it, let's start it from today. Today being Sunday, what could be a better day to discuss with you all this? The way we are planting a tree, planting a sapling and waiting for becoming it as a tree, fruitful tree, the same way we have to take care of your children, even better than that. Think about our marriage party. Think about when making a house, what all we plan, what all we organize, what all we do to make that house. आर्किटेक्ट से बात किया, बिल्डर से बात किया, अच्छा लोकेशन ढूंढ लिया, इतने सारे चीजें किया, घर को कितने डेकोरेशन करना है, क्या क्या करना है, कौन से कॉर्नर में क्या रखना है, फर्नीचर क्या बनाना है, everything we plan sitting together in a family. Great. The same thing we have to do when we are making the life of our children. That big investment on what? On their physical development, on their emotional development, on their intellectual development, and yes, on their moral development, which is a lifetime investment we are going to do for our children. Yes, I'll talk about the morning. When we wake up, we plan for the breakfast, we plan for the lunch, we plan for the dinner. And COVID has really taught us that health is the biggest wealth of ours. We are doing yoga, we are doing pranayam, we are doing a lot of fitness exercises. Now, are our kids part of it? For kids, fitness exercises are not that important as healthy food, nutritious food, and happiness is important. Why I'm telling this? Because in the first phase of COVID, I could see that we have given healthy food, immune boosters to keep our children healthy so that they are not attacked by the diseases. But in the second phase, probably we have forgotten. I find so many people filling up their bags with junk food because they are getting bored at home. I understand. To make them happy, we are doing everything. But we will have to just think about it. Whether their happiness is important or their health is important. When you are taking the plate for your child, the food plate, please look at it. How much nutritious is the food? And talk to your children. How much of efforts are being put in making this food, in making this food plate? And I'm sure your children will be very, very happy to eat it. They will never waste food. They will understand the value of food. If you are doing it, trust me, you are a wonderful parent. If we are not able to do it for any reasons, it is not too late. Let's start it from today. And engage them in the kitchen for some time so that they find that contribution, the small contribution towards that, making of the food, and they would love to eat it as well. Yes, now we're taking care of the physical health of the child, the brain development of the child, the food supply. Second thing which we need to work on is the emotional development of the child, which probably the child does not know. Every time our children are under a lot of pressure, under a lot of judgment. They go to school, someone judges them. Someone judges them. They go to the park, someone must be judging him or her. They are with their friends, the friends do judge them. They are performing, yes, they are being judged. They are not performing, they are also being judged for the same. So, lot of pressure on them on the emotional front. We have to talk to them. What are they going through? And during this time, we have friends with whom we talk to through telephones, through mobile phones, but they are not able to do that. So, we are their best friends. Sit with them. Let's talk to them and let's make them emotionally a stronger human being. The third thing which I'll be talking about here is the intellectual development of the child. Now when we talk of intellectual development, you must be thinking, अच्छे स्कूल में तो दे दिया है, इंटरनेशनल स्कूल्स में मेरे बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, इतने अच्छे अच्छे टीचर्स हैं, और क्या चाहिए? चाहिए आपके बच्चे को आपके साथ चाहिए. Maybe you are not an English teacher, you are not so very good in English, you are not expert in English, you are not expert in mathematics, you are not expert in social studies, you are not expert in teaching. But putting your hand on the head of the child, understanding that yes, today so much of homework has come. Now you understand it. Yes, I'm not able to do something. Your child is not able to do something, solve any problem. Tell him or her that's normal. Sit with him, sit beside him while he or she is studying, and tell your stories during your school time. Share with them the stories of yours. स्कूल टाइम, योर पेरेंट्स हाउ वे दे हेल्पिंग. आपके पापा कितना गुस्सा करते थे, आपकी मम्मी कितना प्यार करती थी, आपकी ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स कितना स्ट्रिक्ट थे while the examinations were there. All these things, talk to them and they will feel that yes, I'm not alone in this journey. My teachers are there, my guides are there, and yes, most important part of my life, my parents are there all the time sitting beside me. Yes, make that small time and sit with them. The fourth thing which I will talk about here is the moral development of the child. Now, digitalization has exposed them to many things. They are not able to understand what is wrong, what is right. The peer pressure must be working. The many things they are watching and they must be learning from outside. Let not they be biased by it. Let us make that value system so very strong that whenever they are making any mistake, whenever they are going through any ethical dilemma, they can analyze, they can recall the things which you have told to them. Sometimes my child says, Mama, आपने ये बोला था. Mama, आपने वो वाला स्टोरी याद है आपको? Mama, आपने ये वाला स्टोरी पढ़ाया था? Mama, आपकी अब्दुल कलाम वाला स्टोरी? Mama, उसेन बोल्ट की जो लाइन्स आपने सुनाया था? They remember better than us. So let's share stories with them. Let's, as parents, as grandparents, as family, let us share stories with them, our real life experiences, our failure, our success of those people who inspire us and them, failure of those people who inspire us. Let's share all of those things with our children so that they are morally strong. A morally strong person will definitely make the life better. And these all are the investment for their life. Not for the house, not for the ornaments, not for the marriage, not for their future alone. This investment is for their life. And let us make some quality time where we do not have any gadget with us, no calls, no personal problems, no office stress should interfere here. Sit with them with that quality time. In the evening, whenever it is possible for you, never say that I don't have time. Never wait for that weekend to talk to your children, to sit with them, to take them out. Find time, because we all have 24 hours. No partiality in that. So let's make the best out of this time. Let's make our involvement, our time, that is the biggest investment for our children. Let's not forget it. Thank you so much, and thank you for your patient listening to this video. I'm sure you must have connected to it. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you soon with my next video, that what is the age for starting sports. Thank you so much. I love you all.